Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, leather seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.